Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Raut. I am a lecturer in Mechanical Department of Kekewak Polytechnic, Nashik, and today we are going to discuss about the pollution and its effect. So today's discussion point is what is pollution, and next source of air pollution, pollutant in vehicle emission, and effect of pollution on human being and environment. So today we will discuss all these 4 points. So let's start with the pollution. What is pollution? So when undesirable factors are observed or present in a surrounding, they polluted the environment, and it is termed as a pollution, and it has a bad effect on the human being as well as on the environment. So here the sources of air pollution is given. So in this chapter or the lecture we will talk only about the air pollutions. So air pollution is mostly causes due to the harmful industrial emissions as well as the vehicle emissions, and as we know, the use of vehicle is increases day by day, and its emission polluted the air enormously. So that's why today's need is to control the rate of air pollution by making some advancement in the engine side. Okay. So here some pollutants in exhaust gases of petrol and diesel engines are given. The name of that pollutants are given below: hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide, and some other particulates. So these are some name of the pollutants which are observed in the gases exhaust gases of the petrol and diesel engine, and they are very harmful gases, and generally their percentage are increases because of what? Incomplete combustion of the fuel. Because of the incomplete combustion of fuel, these gases or the percentage of these gases day by day is increases. So that's why I already told that we have to do some advancement in the engine side, so thereby the effect of all these harmful gases will be reduces up to the certain level, so we can prevent the effect of that harmful gases easily. Okay, so now we'll see the effect of the pollutant. These harmful gases like hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and other particulate, they having the bad effect on the environment as well as on the human being. So here the effect of this pollutant on the environment is given, that acid rain and the global warming. These are the major effect of the pollutant on that environment. So acid rain is what? When CO2 is react with the water, it causes the acid rain, and which will be harmful for the plant and as well as animals. So as we know, the nature of CO2 is a toxic and the corrosive. The next one is the global warming. Everyone know how the global warming is take place. Because of the increasing greenhouse gases in the environment, it causes the global warming. So this is the effect of pollutant on the environment. The effect of pollutant on the human being is what? The emissions of CO causes headache and breathing problems. Emissions of HC causes throat and the lung irritations, and sometimes the lung cancer also. So these are some effects of the harmful gases on the environment as well as on the human being. So in this way, and in today's lecture, we discuss about a source of air pollution and its effect on the environment as well as on the human being. In the next lecture, we will see or we will discuss on the emission norms standards. Okay, thank you.